Welcome back. Let's do this question. ABCD is a parallelogram. A1 is 30 degrees, and then B2 is 142 degrees. And then BC is produced to E. Calculate the size of theta. This is very important. We have to know the properties of a parallelogram. Right? The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. So it means that AD is parallel to BC, and they are also equal. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. You have to remember that. So that's what we get from this. So now we can find angle C2. Angle C2 and angle A1 are alternate angles since AD is parallel to BC. And then we can find angle C2. If you consider triangle ABC, you'll see that B2 is an exterior angle, right? And then if you say angle A2 plus angle C2, this will give us angle B2. So angle C2 is equal to angle A1 since these are alternate angles. So you can say angle C2 is equal to 30 degrees alternate angles. AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. And then from there, we can see that angle B2 is equal to angle theta plus angle C2. So it's going to be theta plus 30 degrees. There is in here exterior angle of triangle. Right, then from here we can find our B2 is 142 degrees, 142 degrees. And then we transpose 30 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to theta, meaning that theta is equal to 112 degrees. So this is 112 degrees. The other way you could have done this, we were going to find angle B1, since angle B2 and angle B1 are adjacent angles on a straight line. Angle B1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 142 degrees. And then get that angle B1 is equal to 38 degrees. Okay, we're going to find this. B1 plus angle C2 plus angle theta must give us 180 degrees. 38 degrees plus 30 degrees plus theta is equal to 180 degrees, sum of angles in triangle. And then theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 38 degrees minus 30 degrees. Then we're going to get 112 degrees. That's an alternative method.